This is a story about Pritam Shah and Janak Das. This is a chapter number 7 in your literature book, right? Now let's start. On a warm afternoon, this is Pritam Shah. Pritam Shah was very tired and he was sleeping under the tree. Taking a nap means sleeping under, right? Suddenly, some tiny dates fell on him. He ate it and then he wanted to eat more. Though rich, he did not like to spend money. He was a miser, conjuice. He wanted the dates for free, so he began climbing. The rough tree trunk hurt his feet. Rough होता है ना, देखो कितने rough है. He even slipped once or twice, but finally he reached on the top. After plucking many dates, what he did? He looked down. See, he looked down. Oh my God! Then his legs began to shake. Now he was thinking, oh my God, what to do now? How to get down? So he prayed to God, God, please save me. I will feed 1,000 poor people. Then slowly he climbed down. Now when he reached in the half, then he said, no sir, 1,000 is too much. I will feed 500 people. God will understand, I will feed 500 people. देखो यहाँ पे 1,000 गिन रहा था कि I will feed 1,000 people, and here when he reached this side, he say कि now I am going to feed 500 people only. इतना कंजूस, such a miser man, right? The closer Pritam Shah got to the ground, the few people he wanted to feed. Then he finally touched the ground. He decided to feed only one person. यहाँ तक पहुँचते पहुँचते 1 पे आ गया. When he was up, he said, I will feed 1,000 people. When he reached in the middle, he said, no, I am going to feed 500 people. Little lower, 100 people. Then little, 1 person only. I must find a way to save money. अब वो पैसे बचाने के लिए सोच रहा है. When he reached his village, Pritam Shah invited Janak Das to lunch. Now who is Janak Das? Let's see. He said to his wife, कि we must feed someone. I have invited our neighbor Janak Das. So Janak Das was the neighbor of Pritam Shah. Okay. Now Janak Das, Pritam Shah is saying कि Janak Das is not having enough money for food. He eats very little. Fine. So offer some of the dates I bought. Cook a tasty curry. And we don't need to spend too much on him. Obviously, एक आदमी कितना खाएगा. Janak Das was clever. He knew he had been invited because he did not eat much. He decided to teach the rich man a lesson. So next morning, Janak Das saw Pritam Shah going out. Then he reached his home and said, okay, I am here for meal. Jasoda told him what she would cook. He said, I am going to temple, so please give me food. He asked her to cook for 10 people. As God would be pleased only if a large offering was made. Why? Because he said, क्या कहा उसने कि I am on my way to the temple. What will you cook for lunch? Janak Das, who was invited, he said, I am on my way to the temple. Now Jasoda was the wife of Pritam Shah. Okay, Jasoda was the wife of Pritam Shah. He asked her to cook for 10 people. तो अब वो कहता है 10 लोगों के लिए खाना बनाओ प्लीज़. God will be very happy. Now Jasoda cooked enough for 10 people. Then what happened? Janak Das said, oh, where are gold mohar? Gold mohar होते हैं gold coins. See, where are gold mohars? At least 2 gold mohars have to be offered to God. Jasoda was truly surprised. She did not want to argue with her guest. So she put mohars near the food. Janak nodded and left. Now, when he was leaving, he said to Jasoda, where is the money you should offer to me for coming? Give me 3 gold mohars. तो अब कितनी हो गई in total? 2 here and 3 here. 5 gold mohar. ठीक है कि जाते हुए भी तो मुझे कुछ दो. Now Jasoda knew that her husband would be very angry because Jasoda was the wife of Pritam Shah. But she had no choice. अब जो मेहमान आया उसकी तो मर्जी पूरी करनी पड़ेगी. She gave Janak Das the mohars and he blessed her and left. Janak Das reached home and gave the food to his wife. Janak Das reached home and gave the food and said, okay, you and children just go and eat and do what I am telling you to do when this man, Pritam Shah, will arrive. So Janak Das told his wife to do what Pritam Shah came. He went to sleep. Soon Pitam Shah was very angry. Jasoda told told the whole story to him. Jasoda told Pitam Shah the whole story कि भाई पहले 2 मोहर फिर एक और 3 मोहर 3 plus 2 5 gold coins he has asked for and food for 10 people also. And now he was very angry. He just ran to his house. Oh my God, he was going to beat him. He asked for him. The other villagers were also behind him. Janak Das' wife was crying at the door. Oh my God, वो तो अब नाटक कर रही थी, है ना? As she saw Pitam Shah, she shouted, "Murderer! You killed my husband. I don't know what you have given him. What you have fed him?" So Pitam Shah was afraid. कि, oh my God, what happened? Don't cry, don't cry. Now what to do? Call a doctor, a good one. Now the Janak Das wife screamed, "I don't have money. From where should I get the money to call a doctor?" Pitam Shah said, "Send your son to my house. I'll give him 10 gold coins." See, 10 gold coins here. 2 पहले मिल गए, 3 जाते हुए मांग लिए, तो 10, 12 and 3, 15 gold coins. And he was not well. He was just acted it. Fine, he was pretty well. Then he ran all the way home and handed the money to Janak Das' son. He sat in a corner and prayed, "God, please let Janak Das get well. I will feed 1,000 hungry people, I promise." How clever he was, no? How clever. Pitam Shah was a miser man, but Janak Das was an intelligent one, right? Pitam Shah was miser man. See the big moustache. And Janak Das was the wiser one. He know how to deal with this man. ठीक है? So see the intelligence of this man.